Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check your mouse DPI in Windows. So this process is same on Windows 10 and 11. So the first step you simply need to do is to click on this search and you need to search for the mouse settings and you need to click on open. Once you open that, you simply need to click on this option additional mouse settings. So this window will pop up. Then you need to click on pointer options and here you can see enhance pointer precision. So you simply need to turn this feature off. Click on apply, click on OK. Then you need to open any browser. So I'm going to open Chrome and here you need to search for DPI analyzer and you need to open the first website. Wait for few seconds because this website takes few seconds to load. Let me refresh this because sometimes this website takes some time to load. So now you can see that this website is now opening. Okay, so now you need to scroll down and you need to move your one mouse by holding this to 1 inch. But before that you simply need to select target distance. So I'm going to select 1 inch. Then you need to move that to the 1 inch. So now you can see that after moving 1 inch with the scale, you can see that my DPI are 118. So this is the process how you can check your mouse DPI in Windows. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.